Hello, today we will guide you through how to add net 45 terms to QuickBooks Online Invoices. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clear, reusable payment term that tells customers their invoice is due 45 days from the invoice date. This is helpful if your business offers longer payment windows and you want that timing to calculate automatically on every invoice where you choose it. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into your company. Once you're on the main dashboard, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see the gear icon, which is the Settings menu. Click the gear to open a panel with a variety of setup options. In the Settings panel, look for All Lists and select it. Lists are where QuickBooks stores reusable items like products, custom fields, and terms. Opening All Lists keeps everything organized and makes it easy to manage accounting preferences in one place. From the List page, choose Terms. The Terms list controls how due dates are calculated on sales forms. You'll likely see a few defaults, like Net 30 or Due on Receipt. To add your own, select New. This opens the form to create a custom term. In the term name field, type Net 45. Using a clear, consistent name helps your team quickly find and apply the correct term later. Keep it simple and match your naming style for other terms if you already have them. Below the name, set how the due date should be calculated. For a standard net term, choose the option that calculates the due date based on a fixed number of days. Then, in the Days field, enter 4. This tells QuickBooks to add 45 days to the invoice date and use that as the due date automatically. If you see other options, such as due by a specific day of the month, make sure you stay with the fixed number of days setting, since that's what net 45 means. When everything looks correct, click Save. You'll return to the terms list where net 45 should now appear alongside your other terms. That confirms it's ready to use. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page to update the list. Going forward, when you create an invoice, you'll be able to select net 45 from the Terms dropdown so the due date fills in automatically. If you don't have access to create or edit terms, check with an administrator to adjust your user permissions. That's it. Your net 45 term is set up and ready for consistent, accurate invoicing.